Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this deep sea glitter gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using a layer of 8-bit blues as my base color. Then I'm going to be doing a glitter gradient using that, as well as Waterworks and Seche Kelp. Before I start sponging, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using liquid latex. Once the latex is dry, I'm going to begin with the gradient. I have a sponge that is about the same length as my nail, and I'm going to be applying the darkest color toward the cuticle. went ahead and removed the protection when I did the final layer of sponging, and if I noticed any flakies kind of trapped around my cuticles, I went ahead and pulled those out so they wouldn't dry there. Now I'm going to go ahead with my usual small brush dipped in acetone and finish that cleanup. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I did do some testing just to make sure that they sponged okay, but even that didn't quite prepare me for how cool this was going to look. My expectations were definitely exceeded. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate just how sparkly and holographic this is. And if you'd like to see the brainstorming and testing as well as the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.